Never, you ever, when I dey make contribution, court enter inside break. 2 times now you don't do this thing to me. I ask question, you use call, dodge am. I can't make contribution, you go enter break immediately. For waiting.
If you don't forget it is supposed to, make I remind you.
What do you mean if I forget what I'm supposed to do?
Welcome back, our people. We don't enter for the program. Yes, the program now today hot, and we don't give now all the headlines. So if we give now all the stories will happen over the weekend, and for now to also do it, for now to call, chook now own mouth, contribute to any of ones we interest now. Yeah, take it off from there.
I won't start with this Oga Olufalaye own. It be like say our Nigerian police force. I don't understand because he just be like say. They
don't know where they
don't know exactly where they stand. It be like they don't know exactly. And I go like make Oga President look into this matter well because he can't be like say somehow.
No, generally make you look into the matter. Apart from it might not be the responsibility of Oga President to say make you look into this particular kidnap, but make you look within be the things where they cut the things that affect.
He's supposed to look into this kidnap because this kidnap might be the first issue. Because our Inspector General of Police use this case. I say when they bring Chief Olufalaye home, he come out and say, Oga President give him order and he don't carry out the order. The same police went tell us say they don't pay ransom. Now they tell us say balance of 800,000, they collect 5 million naira, they pay am. So who we go believe? If our police people they come, they give us this kind of thing. For person when we say now senior citizen, elder statesman, former person when we say on the inside government. What about the ordinary person?
Presidential candidates. I mean, if you look in track record, you know see yes, this person no be just ordinary person, no be ordinary.
So now they come here, they tell me say, no make we no look the issue. Because I know what they talk. No, they make them be like say, I know what they talk.
This issue ain't raised now. Why chook mouth na bad thing?
Okay, make we call. Oh yeah, make I raise another issue of the security watch. Make we chook mouth on top. Why you say every week?
This say start to this right from time. I for question you.
I don't start with that. Make I go to the security watch. We must talk about the security watch. We must talk about rejection. Why you be say if different Nigeria from different parts of this country they come out, they call say they reject some people, say they no want make these people go represent them. Democracy, they say na government of the people by the people and for the people. If na popular will say okay, these people now who they represent, and they don't come out and say they don't want these people. Waiting we see they wait for.
Make we also ask ourselves, these same people where they do it, where they call for, they reject these people. Make we also bear in mind say some of these things are things of personal interest. Factional this thing also dey inside. Where we say if we say we no be say we dey try talk say this thing, these people no dey qualified. But then maybe now people where we say somehow they want to ruin the career of the person. They don't want to make the person step in there. Maybe they get that thing in mind. That's why then they put up all these things.
So all the corruption cases when they carry up, na career they always ask for.
Like Mohammed, don't they capable enough to handle any mistake?
What will be the reason when the people they
Oga Sam, good morning.
Good morning, Unkobi.
Good morning, Oga Sam.
Good morning, Ezebo Chukwudi.
Oga Sam from Ikotun. Good morning, sir.
God bless you every day.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
When I close up on Friday, night is the beginning for Nigeria. All the topics I bring down this morning, they are very, very exciting. Let me first of all join millions of Nigerians in condoning the demise of an amiable governor of the Niger State who passed on to the world glory. May Jesus rest in peace.
Amen.
He has done the circle because of Nigerian political terrain. That is 2 times. It is very near. It's not impossible for any right-thinking person to succeed in Nigerian politics and end up well. He has gone. May he rest in peace. Number 2, Olufalaye's matter. Thank God because it's a very small city of this country. That is why the police came up with stories up and down. Until President gets issued to IG could not mobilize to arrest those outside herdsmen who went to attack Falaya and kidnapping. Until he now told the nation that he has got Falaya released without no dime. Only for to confirm that he paid ransom to the adopter. Now he came again and said he has arrested 5 people. For where? IG is telling lies. Let's not deceive this country any longer. That's number 2. Number 3.
Hey, Oga Sam, and I know say that the security watch matter na me won't enter.
You enter in mind, no, so now what you want to talk about?
He take am one by one.
Other stories no there.
He take am one by one.
No, don't even go there.
From Alamea Seya.
Don't go there. Don't bring up that excuse.
To Fulani Esme.
Or go right from all the way from Calabar. Good morning, Jerry. Talk to us.
Hello.
Would they hear
Good
you?
morning,
Okay,
Mr.
good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
Good morning, Ogo, okay?
Good morning, Nkuvi.
Good morning.
How on a weekend day?
We did
Thank
fine,
God.
they fine.
Good. First of all, me and the one our former governor will be best state governor because in life everybody must answer that call of nature, but our prayer is to make it reach the normal
Yes, sir.
time. And on the other way around, over here in Nigeria, when you do better thing, finish, then come carry one small one. When it be better one, come add them. Don't those 99% of good things where you do. So they only talk about those bad things where you do, but they know they remember the good one where you
The
do.
good
So I
ones.
pray may the Lord grant him eternal rest.
Amen. No.
Another one be say the plane crash will happen. This thing done the too much. So it's right time for we Nigerians to look into it, to investigate very well, because sometimes no be normal crash, nine those things. Sometimes monkey hand the day inside. So, and again about the ministerial list. Like I said earlier, when Peking they cry, they point hand. If your mama no there and papa there. Number one, be so those people when people don't they reject. If there is something, because not them one represent, and they know people will go represent them well. So if they come out, they shall say these people are not qualified to be there. I beg now our president look into it. They are right. It's the right time for us to come out and know exactly people will go they qualified to represent us in any aspect. And I must leave this word before I drop. I pray to God to continue to strengthen on from strength to strength.
Amen.
As soon as they tell us what thing they happen for with Niger, and I
Thank you very
pray
much.
Niger Onibaje. Thank you.
Onibaje.
Oga okay from Calabar.
Thank you very much,
very
Oga
much
okay,
for that
for
prayer
that,
and the correct topic when we say you don't drop down. Nkubi is very, very clear. Everybody is saying the same thing.
Everybody
and
is saying the same thing you and I are saying.
No, at the top
Everybody
you
is
talk
saying
your
the
own.
same thing you and I are saying.
You are saying your own,
The
I'm
same
saying
way
my
when
own.
Oga Sunday, when they want to talk to us right now about that, go also talk the same to me and you they talk. Oga Sunday, good morning.
Me and you know they talk the same thing. They talk your own and they talk my own.
Oga Sunday, talk to us.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Oga Sunday.
Good morning, Nkubi and Chukwudi.
Oga Sunday, we dey greet you.
My greetings and regard to Wazobia FM. In fact, I dey gbadun na so much.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
very
They really make my day because even without going to internet or anything, they make me they know what's up.
Thank you,
So
sir.
make I quickly shook mouth concerning my own two kobo for inside this matter.
Okay.
My own side na for this ministerial nominees list. Because if we try make we look at the way the thing go, it dey on one direction. The people wey they talk about say hello.
Would they hear you? Would they hear you?
The people then they talk about say they do this, they do that. If we look then they tied to one and the way I want to say them the APC people. And you see, what I want to say, these people they are just like a newborn baby. You understand? We should just at least give them chance to do their own side. Because why? These people, the way they talk, say they're no good, they don't do this thing. It's better to even have, they say the devil you know. It's better than the angel where they say you never even see at all.
You don't know at
so
all.
I cannot talk much. All this where everybody just they talk about. I believe say now from people from the opposition. Let we give them, they don't get their own chance. So let's give these people their own chance. That is my own.
Oga
take.
Sunday.
So
Oga Sunday. Thank you
Yeah.
very much
Hello?
for this.
Hello?
Yeah, would they hear you?
Okay, no, I believe say you want to say something. That's why.
Yeah, I said the angle where you bring this particular thing from this issue from. I said I thank you for bringing it from that angle.
God
At
bless
least you they look at from another viewpoint. You understand? Not be
Yes, sir.
with the same way where a lot of people they look at from you, they see I'm from. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you, Simon.
Yes, Chukudi, Mukul, quite. You know, I be raise this issue. She notice maybe somehow. Now people will be say. They still want maybe monkey hand somehow. Now they do it. Now they stay up this direction. Say they don't want this particular person. They don't want that person. Unto say they don't want make. In fact, they don't even want make. They represent anybody from that platform, political platform. Make it represent them.
Before I answer that question, make we take Oga David from Jos. Oga David, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Chukwudi and Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga David.
Una they try you, una they do well.
Thank you
sir.
very much.
I will first of all greet the good people of my state, Jos. And you guys there are doing a wonderful work. May
Thank you,
Almighty
Thank
God
you.
continue to guide you and give you wisdom as He gives to Oga Solomon in Bible.
And you too, Oga David, for Bible.
Thank you. What I want to chook mouth in this matter be say, you know, Nigerian, what I want to tell Nigerian be say, may we just pray. May we dey pray. May we dey pray. God wey did this country na strong God. God they hear our prayer. These people been saying, give us the leadership. Give us the leadership. They can't give them the leadership. And Christ is there everywhere. What thing the mouth go bring out, now go take tight in neck. You understand? People been say, former president, they do yama, they do this and they do. See, imagine this list where this our president come bring. Him come bring the list. What people come plenty day. We've been a talk say, may we just put mouth for this issue. People say, may we just give them chance to give them chance. No anything good welcome. We go pray. Any evil way say one side our country. By the grace of God, now that evil go down. We Nigerians, we go pray for this country, and by the grace of our God, a living God, this country will never go down. That is my prayer. Number one. Number two, that former governor Webb saying just called to do it. That one a normal duty means so rest in perfect peace with the Lord. And for the Wazobia TV, God will bless you.
Thank you very much,
Oga David.
We appreciate all your prayers, and we
much.
thank everybody when we say they believe in Wazobia TV and also stand gidigba for our back as it hot. If not be una, we for no there anywhere. Now, the reason why it be say we they wake up every day from 10 to 11, and also Wazobia TV 24 hours. They give una all of the entertainment and news and information we una need to move forward. We go collect this call from Oga Austin, all the way from Isolo. Oga Austin, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Nkubi, good morning. Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Austin.
I greet you now.
We greet you too.
I just get one small contribution to give.
Okay.
I don't want to talk too much, but I just want to say we don't read for book. You can agree with me with the statement that I want to say now, that says that when you keep doing things the normal way you used to do it, it's the madness to respect put for this ministerial list made upon work now with the expect change. I don't think so the change will happen, because now the normal thing we don't do, the normal people we did there before, we don't do what they don't do, and we never see change. Now them still there here, so I know they expect change from them. Thank you. God bless you.
Oga Austin, thank you very, very much for that contribution. And as we talk and hear, everybody get their own opinion. But then they always they seek for say make governance rather make it move forward. Now that change we they seek for, now we go see the emphasize on so that we will eventually fit Siam. May we collect this call from Oga Prince all the way from Owerri.
Good morning, Chukwudi and Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Prince.
How's day?
We dey fine.
How na weekend today? Na enjoy your weekend.
Yes, so me I enjoy. I don't know about them. I enjoyed mine.
Okay, tell you what, I want to talk small thing this morning. I want to commiserate with our former governor of Bayelsa State. But thing where they fear me, they say there is nothing where nothing happen in this country. That death, we need to confirm the death, whether is they true. Because I wonder why the death will come now. Why they in the public domain say this man nowhere. Now his wife where we know say nowhere. How dare come now suddenly with the hair say this one don't die. Now where the British they talk say they want revoke bell when jump out. Because without them in this country, see person we are rapper, a man we are rapper come back. So this death they somehow. So we made the show us we want to see the dead body before we go fully agree say something don't happen. Because nothing when Nigeria knows he do. In order to expect. So the only thing why I get to talk this man, another thing say, may we support our president, make those when don't select, say they go be his minister. Because the only people where you trust, where you get hope in, where you feel, say they go carry your own cause, then go fulfill them. Now those are where you go hand things into your hand. Now you go bring people from the moon or elsewhere, to make they come fight your own cause. They're not going to do them well. So now people where they with you, where follow you fight, no waiting to pass through. Now then go feel bring their cause to fulfillment. That's my own
Oga Prince, thank
take
you
this
very
morning.
much for
Oga
that
Prince
contribution.
don't make very important contribution, but Oga Prince don't talk some other kind of things when we say we go still address after we collect this call from Oga Victor from Zamfara. Oga Victor, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Victor.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Victor, this is why your voice cool like this. It be like say una dey plan to reject somebody too.
I just pity Prince. I just pitied Prince. Because if their people they carry debt play, if their people they carry debt play, no supposed carry this one play. That somebody died and everybody is mourning him and he wants to see the corpse. If he wants to eat the corpse, let him go to Bayelsa and eat the corpse. It's quite unfortunate. And look at what he's saying. The caliber of people that it has yet been a time in history in Nigeria where everybody they clamor for the kind of people where president nominate for ministers. Even before the nomination, people on the talk say, if you nominate, no go near Amechi, no go near so person. As at present, there is a white paper released in River State where reveal atrocities of Amechi, and River State is going to prosecute Amechi. That one is no longer news. In all the commissioners, most of them don't return money where they carry. Amechi is corrupt, very, very corrupt. Somebody called him a criminal, and he was referring to Port Harcourt. He was once a lecturer at the University of Port Harcourt. That's my school, so I know him. Do you understand? So if they say he corrupt, they corrupt. For Amechi, well, that is by the way. Waiting I won't talk. I'm waiting I talk on Friday to emphasize them. Because APC said we don't want corrupt people. We want change. So when somebody was nominated, they say, no, this person they corrupt, this person get record, this person in case they caught. We don't want approve them. All of them walk out from the Senate chamber. This time around, all the people will get record. All the people where we don't mention their names. As they do the other time, oh yeah, this person go answer a case. When you answer a case finish, come, make we screen you. But for now, Amechi can never be and should not be. Fashola should not be. I can never be. For Lai Mohammed, everything where they mouth na lie. So if you become minister and lie.
Oga Victor from Zamfara, you don't talk about you for body. But we go emphasize say even though we dey talk am say freedom of expression dey, e dey very, very important make we dey calculate, dey check am so that we no go cause even more confusion. We go take this call from Oga Samuel all the way from Akure. Oga Samuel, good morning, sir.
Oga, good morning, yo.
Good morning, Oga Samuel.
Oga Uncle B, how was the weekend?
Fine.
Shukude, how you dey now?
Oga Samuel, we greet you.
You know which I want shook mouth now, the issue of Baba Falaye. You know as the thing they go, me I no believe say they kidnap this Baba. Because today you will hear difference, you will hear they no collect anything. And I say we talk in own, Baba we talk in own, and even though the way the thing they go, they no kidnap, it's just an arranged thing. Let's be frank with ourselves. This Baba, they are in opposition party. In which the governor of Ondo State here, they be party. This is an arranged issue. They not kidnap him. It's just for arrangement, just to spoil this government.
Oga Samuel from Akure.
Thank you very much for that.
Oga Samuel don't open new junction for inside this matter. But when we go this way.
Hello?
Okay. So that's the issue. So we need to be frank with ourselves. You know, it was one that said Fulani people that kidnapped him just to spoil this administration, Buhari administration. They're not kidnapped Baba. Make you believe that one.
Anyway, Oga Samuel, thank you very much. This one for your own mouth today hear am.
Oga Samuel, even though you come from Akure, it's very, very important. Say make we get fast before we talk.
Yes.
But quickly we go rush, enter break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it is hot.
Yes. Welcome back. We don't enter the final lap of our Ogbonge program. We be as e dey hot. Now, also for those of now who they follow us, now don't get all the major headlines we will drop for now today. And then we still dey collect calls, no doubt, because we don't even collect, we don't see enough calls, we don't see reactions, we don't see counter reactions from our callers. And with the matter that then I say the matter they do it, they really, really hot. Chuku is still there for us, and me and I still do it. We still dey deliberate on the issue, on the issue we don't table so far. So Chukudi.
Well, it very disheartening. Say some of the issues will happen, an issue when we say happen, but we go address them. Oga Prince from already been talk about. Although some people don't raise that one to say this one when we say somebody talk say in don't buy and the rest of them say no be ploy, no be format and the rest of them. But like I talked earlier when we start say now the memory of people when we say don't leave, now it go remain. And our history exactly. Go judge them for good or for bad. We no go talk say, see so thing will happen, see so thing will not happen. But what we go just talk, we say, I see don't go join the maker. It's very, very important, make everybody learn, say, no matter whatever office where you stand on top, no matter the chair where you sit down, no matter the money where you get, by the time when you go join your maker, now only you go. Take for example, look, HID Awolowo, wife of one late Ogbonge political person for Nigeria, or Obafemi Awolowo. The Ogun State government and plenty who don't talk say they won't immortalize her. That is, they won't put her for position when we say everybody gonna see all the good things when she don't do. That one is something when we say go remain for generations when go come to learn. So it's very, very important. So anything we do for this life, make we put them for the back of our mind. Say when we go join Baba God, waiting people will remain for this life.
Go remember us about us, exactly.
Or waiting they go remember us for simple.
No, it is very, very important because now and that's what we need to re-emphasize there and talk about them because one thing about individuals we say. You come inside the world and you came for a purpose. Nobody say just come here, born for what? Say make you come. If you don't finish what you do, make you go back. You came for a purpose, and that purpose where you come for, maybe if not leadership purpose, or if not to probably influence people, or if not to at least promote a particular thing. These are things where we say that will be responsibility. I take carry out your own responsibility, and between you and whoever sent you. And apart from that, just as Chukwude talk, putting a foot on ground, where we say once you don't come on that foot. We go fit see the mark of that foot for ground. For years to come, people will remember you for that mark. Say, now this person will die like how many years back? How many years back now you get this particular footprint? See waiting in don't do so far. Now the waiting want to remember people for. Nobody the bad things. Say you do this one, you do that one. No, it does not work that way. So at least I know some leaders they hear. Make na do it, make na they hear. I mean I also do it. Apply the necessary things when I need to apply in the course of my leadership. Oga Obiora, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Obiora from Yola.
I want to advise one of our fellow callers, Prince from our. You know, issue of APC is a party and we are individual. You can be APC today and tomorrow you will be another party. So sometimes we talk with annoyance and it's not good. If today people of Bayelsa will say we will declare that Al-Messia is dead and is forging or something like that, you know something that we human beings will come out like this, talk that you investigate the death is unfair now. So, but what we are talking is that anybody that died, that is the time, and God knows everything. Again, for our ministerial issue, you know, in Nigeria, the other time when we were speaking of corruption, I tell you, I say, every Nigeria, if you bring 100 people in Nigeria, 98 have an anthem of corruption in him. So, that is why when the APC say we are fighting corruption, we will fight corruption, I tell these people that is propaganda because those things, they cannot actualize it. They cannot make it. Because if you use people that everybody knows that now, Ameti is going to be a minister, whether we like it or not, unless the Buhari today change his mind. But what of his case on ground? Before you know it, they will not hijack the case. So when this type of thing is happening, we believe that this government will not fight corruption, but rather they will do selective withholding of people. And we are supporting and we are praying that they will fight and get those money back. But if they will get from A and leave B, C, D and go to F, it's wrong. Fight corruption from 1 to N. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ogo Obiora. We will fight corruption from the beginning to the end. Make we not do it, make we not leave an iota of it. Thank you very much for that, Oga Oga Obiora.
Very true. But quick one, it is very, very important make we emphasize, say, the crash will happen for inside Adamawa State. As our Air Force people don't talk, say, they're going to investigate, and it is very important. Make they do the investigation, come out with finding, and take the necessary correction so that this mistake don't go happen again. Because every time we lose personnel, them when we say, then train them to defend us for this country, now something we lose. Because all the years of training and experience where they don't get, now something when they're very, very valuable. And the Chief Olufalaye will go beg our Inspector General of Police, say, make him do his best to ensure, say, the true part of this story come out in public. Because the problem they always get is say people know they trust government, or people know they trust government agencies. If police come out for the first time tell us say they no collect ransom, and later now they tell us say una don't grab 5 people and una collect balance of 800,000, say ransom na 5 million, who will go believe? Considering the fact say the talk come from senior person for inside the Nigerian police force. So it's very, very important make we get honesty and open mind so that we as Nigerians go they believe say yes, if we talk of change don't truly come.
To get double that for same people where they lead us say okay now talk something when they say this blast no be true now. I mean it does not work that way. I mean waiting we elect now for in the first place, waiting they appoint now for in the first place. Now for us to give us sincerity and transformation, make we see transparency in you people. Not be to come they tell us say this thing A, meanwhile now B. It does not work that way. And Chukudi, let us also okay. Anyway, basically we feel no get time that much, but then we don't go collect different calls from our callers. That we don't also see different reactions from them. People will get their own different opinion on this matter. Don't talk, and they will go see the audience to talk. Say yes, so Nigeria on our own. Nobody get them. And in as much as we get different opinion, make always they bring our collective opinion to one table and ensure say we move the country forward. Now, waiting everybody supposed to do that.
Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come out smoke. We thank all our callers them and all the people who believe in Asiri Hot and Wazobia TV. Now because of una we dey here, make una continue to stand chim for our back and we no go ever disappoint una. We go see una again tomorrow. Una bye bye. Now as
it dey hot.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.